The desire for a healthier lifestyle often collides with the challenges of busy schedules, gym memberships, and a lack of confidence. But fret no more. This comprehensive guide unlocks the potential of your living room, transforming it into your own personalized gym. At-home workouts for beginners empowers you to take control of your fitness journey, offering effective routines, valuable tips, and the motivation to achieve your health and wellness goals, all from the comfort of your own home. Why choose an at-home workout? At-home workouts offer numerous advantages over traditional gym memberships. Convenience. No more battling traffic or squeezing in a workout before the gym closes. Workouts can be done anytime, anywhere, fitting seamlessly into your daily routine. Cost-effective. Ditch the gym membership fees. At-home workouts require minimal to no equipment, utilizing your body weight for resistance, privacy, and comfort. Work out at your own pace, free from the self-consciousness that can sometimes arise in a gym setting. Customization. Tailor your workouts to your fitness level, interests, and goals. Reduced risk of injury. Having more control over your workout environment allows for a slower pace and greater focus on proper form, minimizing the risk of injury. Building the foundation. Essential components of your at-home workout. Before diving into specific exercises, let's establish the essential building blocks of your at-home workout for beginners. Warm-up. A dynamic warm-up prepares your body for exercise by increasing blood flow, raising your core temperature, and improving flexibility. This can include jumping jacks, arm circles, leg swings, high knees, and lunges. Cool down. Dedicate time to cool down stretches after your workout. This helps to improve flexibility, prevent muscle soreness, and promote recovery. Proper form. Focus on proper form for each exercise to maximize effectiveness and minimize the risk of injury. Don't hesitate to modify exercises to suit your current fitness level. Hydration. Stay hydrated throughout your workout by sipping water regularly. Rest and recovery. Give your body adequate time to recover between workouts. Aim for rest days or incorporate low-impact activities on these days. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when starting out. Pay attention to your body and take breaks when needed. Crafting your at-home workout routine. Here are some essential elements to consider while designing your at-home workout routine. Frequency. Start with 2 to 3 workouts per week, gradually increasing as your fitness improves. Duration. Begin with 20 to 30-minute workouts and add time as you get stronger. Intensity. Focus on moderate intensity workouts, where you can hold a conversation but still feel challenged. Exercise selection. Target all major muscle groups with a variety of exercises, including cardio. Get your heart rate up with exercises like jumping jacks, jumping rope, high knees, or burpees, modified if needed. Strength training. Build muscle with bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, modified if needed, planks, rows using furniture, and bridges. Core work. Strengthen your core with exercises like crunches, Russian twists, planks variations, and leg raises. Conclusion. Your fitness journey starts at home. Embrace the convenience and flexibility of at-home workouts. This guide provides the foundation for a successful fitness journey from the comfort of your own 4 walls. With commitment, creativity, and the information provided, you can unlock a world of fitness possibilities and achieve your health and wellness goals. Remember, it's never too late to start. So lace up your sneakers, grab your water bottle, and embark on your transformative journey to a healthier, fitter you.